Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y91. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now go to biometrics and password. Go to change lock screen password, enter it, select change unlock method, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of passwords. 6-digit PIN, 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern and password. Firstly, we are going to use only 1-digit PIN because basically they are the same and the only difference is length. So let's select 4-digit PIN, enter your 4 digits and now use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select change lock screen password and enter password. Now enter 4 to 32 characters. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. Now, we can go to biometrics. Our first biometric is fingerprint ID. Enter it, select unlock device, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Slightly tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap OK, and now use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select face recognition, get started and scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Swipe up and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.